a reaction video. First thing that I noticed, malapad. Ang laki ng tangke, it's very muscular. Parang nakakadagdag ng pagkalalaki to, ah. Alright, so shall we go? Let's go. Let's go, Sago! Napakagwapo naman talaga ng... Ayan na sinasabi ko. Ayan na sinasabi ko. Oh, can you feel that? Can you feel that? Oh. Woohoo! So ikot lang tayo dito sa amin dahil mamaya kailangan din natin isoli ito. I would love to go on expressways pero hindi kaya kasi it's a Friday. It's a Friday, so traffic ngayon. I mean mamaya rush hour. Oras na ba? Alas 5. So ayun, I hope na malabas natin to ng expressway kasi parang dun mo talaga makikita yung ano niya, yung pagka I mean it's meant for that, 'di ba? Kaya nga 400cc ito para malabas mo ng highway, at least dito sa Pilipinas kasi 400cc and up lang ang pwede sa expressway. Okay? So it's really enjoyable pag mabibilis na yung takbo mo. And one thing that I noticed is it's very stable, ano. Coming from a Mio I, pag ang takbo mo sa Mio I nasa 60 ka na, 60, 70, 80, you could really feel your speed. Pero dito naka 70 na pala ako kanina, hindi ko pa rin ramdam. So let's go inside the park. Anong meron? Okay, so the way it handles is really good. Yeah. Iikot lang ako, sir. Hahanap ng mga chika babes. Joke lang. Okay, so umikot lang tayo. I mean, the turning radius is a-okay. It's not as free as the smaller displacement, so you really have to be careful na kapag you U-turn ka, you have to make sure that you have a proper space. Ayan. I'm starting to feel the heat of the engine kasi nga it's a 400cc, ano. So it has power, syempre, and it also has heat. Okay, so another question that I have in my mind is I think a top speed nito nasa 160 ba o 130, I don't know, somewhere that range. So the question would be, this is a 400cc tapos ang top speed niya ay nasa 160, ganun. And ang rider 150 Fi, 150cc lang. Pero bakit nare-reach niya rin yung ganung speed? Now, what's the difference? Okay, what's the difference? Okay, so the rider 150 Fi totally nare-reach na yung ganung speed because it has a good engine, and also it's very lightweight. Kumpara mo naman dito, ang bigat nito. Okay, so now, yes, it can really reach that kinds of speed, pero compromise na yung safety mo, diba? What do I mean by that? The tires of the Raider 150 Fi ay maliliit. So what it means is that kapag nag-brake ka, syempre medyo weaker yung brake. Kung ikukumpara mo dito, no, the NK400 has a wider tire, has a bigger tire, more bigger tires than the Raider 150 Fi. And this has ABS. So what it means is that, yes, you're gonna be more stable, you're gonna be more safety, you're gonna be more confident in riding those high speeds. High speed na yun kasi nga 60, takbo mo 60, bumangga ka, pwede ka na mamatay. Ayun ba, 160, 130. So ayun, yun yung pinagkaiba ng dalawang motor, ano. So it's safe to say na it's not about just the speed, ano. Can you maintain? Are you confident on that speed? Oh, masisipak talaga to ng Raider sa long stretch, pero di ba? Can you keep that up? That's the question. All right. Ito, na-aksidente na ako dito eh. Yung Raider 150 Fi pa yung gamit ko. So far, I really enjoyed this. Ano, huwag lang mata-traffic kasi the clutch, oh my gosh. So overtaking, hindi ka mabibitin sa overtake. Kayang-kaya niya overtake. Sa Mio kasi sisiguraduhin mo na makaka-overtake ka eh. Dito hindi naman. It's cool. So lipat ulit tayo dito sa loob. Nakakatuwa pakinggan ang ang tunog ng muffler. Oh my. Patingin siya eh, ma-overtakean ko siya eh. Pogi ko, no?